Hey, I wanted to take a minute and talk about the new tax bill that's probably going to be voted on by the Senate and the House here today or tomorrow. And I've heard people fussing about this corporate tax reduction is corporate welfare or tax reduction for the wealthy. Let me help you understand something about business if you haven't really thought through this. Every penny that would be applied in a balance sheet to the cost side of doing business, the cost of producing an item, the cost of providing a service, every penny will be added or will be accounted for in the margin and finally the retail pricing of that product or service. So if you increase my tax rate, my corporate tax rate by 10%, that 10% gets included in my pricing model to decide how much I'm going to charge the market for my product or service. Corporate tax rates should be zero because corporations do not directly pay taxes. There isn't a corporation in the world that stays in business long that gets to the end of the year and goes, oh, look here, we owe $12,000. I guess we'll take that out of net profit and pay the government. They don't. They add it into the retail pricing of the products and services you buy. Now, I will get pushback from friends time to time that say, well, so you're saying I'm going to get a reduction of X when they put in these new corporate tax rates. No, I'm not saying that, but they will come down over time. And here's exactly why. Somebody will be the first one to move and go, you know what? I can lower my rate and I can create, or my price, and I can create a price advantage in the market space. And then the next person goes, oh crap, we can't let Bill do that. We've got to lower our price a little bit. Or, and here's where most of it's probably going to go, hey, you know what? I can keep more talent now because I can pay them a few dollars more or a few $1,000s more over the course of a year because I have this money back in my business rather than being paid to the government. So again, here's the point. Corporations do not pay taxes. Corporations are simply a means that the federal government uses to collect taxes on you indirectly. Please know this economics before you go mouthing off about what this thing is. Corporate taxation is merely a tax on the citizenry without the citizenry having a vote. There you go. So use your head as you're thinking about this.